Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at a TEKS tool, number line, specifically how we can use a number line to solve problems, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. So sometimes we have a problem and it deals with rounding. And so we can use a number line to solve that problem. So take a look. Jerome has between 10 and 20 cards. When rounded, the number he has is closer to 20. How many cards can he have? So there's more than one answer here. If this were multiple choice, we would only have one correct answer, or there might be a multiple select. But let's just answer it like this. When rounded, he has between 10 and 20. So I'm going to draw a number line, but instead of starting at 0, I'm going to start at 10, and my other end is going to be at 20. Now, when we're rounding, we need to have something in the middle, right? So we need to have a benchmark in the middle. So what is halfway between 10 and 20? We would say 15. So anything that is 15 or higher is actually going to round up to 20. All right, so 14 or below is going to round down to 10. Now I can also round to 20 if I go above 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, but the problem says we are between 10 and 20. So how many cards can he have? Well, let's go ahead and list them out. He can have, and then any of these numbers between 15 and 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20. Any of those numbers would work to round up to 20. Now let's see how we could use this same number line for estimation. So Jerome's mother buys him 32 more cards, and he receives another 18 for his birthday. About how many cards does he have now? Well, the key word here is about. When we see this, it means we don't need the exact answer. We want an estimate. So we're going to round each of these numbers. So he already has about 20 from this first part. Let's see what he has for the other two. So 32 cards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a number line. And 32 is between which two tens? 30 and 40. And I'm going to find my midpoint, my benchmark right there, 35. Now, where would 32 go? 32 would go right around here. And since it's below halfway, that means it's going to round to 30. So we have about 20, about 30, and then we've got 18 that he received for his birthday. So let's draw another number line. 18 is between which two tens? 10 and 20. Let's draw a midway point. That's going to be 15. Now 18 is going to be up here. It's definitely closer to 20. So that's going to go up here. So now we have three quantities that we could use. So he has about 20. He gets another 30 from his mom and about another 20 for his birthday. We add those up and we are going to get about 70 cards. Now we can also use a number line to solve problems related to time. So Zoe finished watching a live stream at 6:20. I'm going to draw a number line to kind of capture that. So she finished at 6:20 and she watched the entire live stream and it lasted an hour and a half. So if we go kind of back this way, we have an hour and a half. And then we need to figure out when she started watching it. So when did she start watching it? Well, since we're dealing with a time interval, we can also use a number line. Okay. So I want to break this up into two parts, an hour and a half. Okay. So I'm going to take one big jump and I'm going to mark that as 1 hour. So I've taken care of my hour. Now, what's 1 hour? I'm just going to change the hour from 6:20 down to 5:20. Now, the half, what is half an hour? That's 30 minutes. I can't go back 30 minutes uh, without going over the hour. So what we do here, we break this 30 minutes into two chunks. I'm going to break it into 20 minutes. I'm going to do that because that's going to get me to the hour. And then that means I've only got 10 left. So I'm going to take another 10 minutes. That's the hardest part. We got to visualize. It's going to be 10 minutes before 5 or 4:50. So that's when she started watching it.